Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to get the special New Year rod skin for free, and it's super easy. First just go to the red card icon and then scroll down until you find the redeem code box, and then just type this code cool 2026 like this, and then just tap on claim or redeem, and then you will get a new rod skin like this. Like this. The design looks pretty cool like this. I think it's cool. Perfect for the New Year event like this. And then now let's try it for fishing. Like this. Let's try it to fishing. As you can see, it works perfectly and looks great in game. Okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!